Nissan Pathfinder. This one's an LE. Taillight replacement. You're gonna go pop these two screws right off. In order to get this off, you pull it straight back out. It's got these little clips right there, and those will pop right out of the thing. It takes a little bit of gusto, but don't try and break anything. Just pull it straight back out. This bottom one is your reverse light. Turn it to the side and pull it straight out. In order to get the bulb out, just pull it right out. And there it is. So this is a white 921 is what it calls for, but it also 912 is pretty much the same thing. Reverse lights. Just take the new one, wiggle it in there, and put it back in. And then twist it to lock it into place. There we go. There's the back end. That's your reverse light.